guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get started with a 15-minute full body workout. All you need is weights and a mat. So find your space, engage your core, roll the shoulders back. Let's start with a big inhale, all the way up, inhale. Exhale, release. Again, inhale, up. Exhale, let it go. 2 more times. And release, last time right here. Good. You're gonna take your feet wide, take it down, take it up, take it down, take it up. So I'm just gonna get your heart rate up a little bit here. Connecting with our breath, with our bodies. We're here for 2. On 1, hold the center, a little pulse, down, down. Opening up our inner and outer thighs here. Strong arms, like you're pushing 2 walls away from your body. So feel that engagement already in your shoulders and your biceps. Good. We're gonna take a little lunge over to the right. Push it close. And then you're gonna press it open, other side. Push it close. And then open again. That's it. Close the door. Open the door. Last time this tempo. We're just gonna move a little faster. Here we go. To the right, to the center, to the left, to the center. I should mention today's workout is pregnancy safe. I am expecting. So, if you are too, you're in good hands. Keep it going here. For 4. For 3. Those inner and outer thighs should start to fire up and feel nice and warm. You got 1 more set. The right side and left side. Hold it here. Take it down. Go down. Lift up. Inhale. Exhale. Woo! Good, you guys. Stay with me. Just 4. Feel that stretch at the top. You have 2. Last one. And release. Grab your set of weights. I'll be using 5-pound weights. Feet underneath your hips. Soft bend in the knees. Shoulders back, arms down. You're gonna take a fly. Drop the arms. Hammer curl right in front. Release it long. Again, slow. Lift. Lower. Using our breath. Feeling that connection. Exhaling on the hard part. Yes, keep it going. Lift and lower. We're starting slow, so you feel the muscle groups that we're targeting here. I think tops of the shoulders and the lats, and then biceps and triceps. Let's speed it up. We lift, we curl. That's it. Lift, lower, and curl. So good. Woo! Focusing in on our upper body, but we're maintaining the low body to support us in this strength. Keeping our abs engaged. Good, give me 2. 1 more here. You got it, y'all. Flip your palms to face front. You're gonna take a bicep curl. We're gonna take a shoulder press up and overhead. Drop your elbows down. Extend it long. So it's biceps, shoulders, lats. Drop, drop, drop. Let's speed that up. We curl. In, press, drop, release. In, press, lower, release. That's it. Squeeze. Beautiful. If this feels good for you, we're gonna add a little core engagement. Right knee's gonna lift and hold. Finding our balance, and then you switch. Left knee. So it drops with the weights. Right knee. Good. Really testing our balance, testing our core strength today. Squeeze, reach, in and drop. Curl, press. So strong. Let's go. In. Woo! If you fall, you get right back up. We're gonna go 1 more each way. In, push, in, down. Good. Feet go flat. Just curl for 8. Fire into those biceps. Final push. We're here 4. 3. Good. You got 2. On 1, stop at 90 degrees. We're gonna serve the platter out. You're gonna pull the platter in, slide to your guests, Bring it into the center. Again, slide out. In. Rotate. Rotate. Serve it up. Pull it in. This is our last bit of work for the upper body. So, give it all you got, you guys. We're gonna move into some low body work right after this. Reach and squeeze. Slide it open. We're gonna speed that up. Let's go right here. We serve. We rotate out. We serve. Rotate out. Now, if you want, on the rotate, right knee, serve it out. Left knee, rotate. Let's go. Reach and lift. It's kind of like when you try to pat your belly or rub your belly and pat your head. You're doing two things at once. Serve it out. You got it, y'all. One more each way and that's it. Woo! Yes. Last time. That's it. Beautiful. Set the weights at your sides. Right foot is forward, left foot is back. Maybe in a lunge position, shoulders back. You're gonna drop that back knee down for 2. We're gonna lift for 2, that's it. So then tap that back knee, lift it up. Lower, lower. We're gonna feel this in the top of this back quad. 4 more. 3. Keep your upper body nice and strong, nice and proud. Last one here. Good. Hold it halfway, down 1 inch. Go down an inch, lift up an inch. You can set your weights down at any point in time if it's too much for you. Down an inch, up an inch. Good. We have 2 more here. Yes, now hold it low, little pulses. Down, down, just pulse. And pulse, bring those weights up towards your shoulders here. Sink lower. Breathe, we're here just for 4, 3. Now hold it low, float your front heel up and off the ground. Just feel the balance, feel your power, your strength, you're here, just 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, step it up and shake it out. You guys are heading into side 2. So this time, bring your left foot forward, right foot is back. Drop the weights at the sides, roll the shoulders back. Square your hips, take that back knee down for 2. Press for 2. Keep it going. Down for 2. Lift for 2. Feeling it in that right quad, the top of that thigh. Keep it going. You have 2 more right here. Keep it going down and up. Last one here. Hold it halfway, take it down 1 inch, we lower. Down an inch, up an inch. Down an inch, up an inch. Keep your breath, we're here, just 4. 3, 2. Good, now take it to that pulse. It's down, down, pulse, pulse. Woo, stay low, feel that burn. I'm with you. We're here for 8, 6, 4, 3, hold it low, freeze, float that front heel up and off the ground. Just for 4, 3, 2, all 1. Take those feet slightly wider than your hips, turn your toes out slightly, bend your knees and hinge forward from the waist. Reach the weights along, 2 counts to lower. Down for 2, lift halfway for 2. Sink down for 2. Halfway lift for 2, you got it. Back is flat, core is tight here. You're in that hinge position. So we can get into those glutes a little bit quicker, getting them nice and warm. Ready to head to the ground right after this. Good, let's take it at the bottom and pulse. Down, down, little pulse, little pulse. You got it, y'all. Give me 8, 6, woo, 4, 3, 2, on 1. You can drop your weights down. Head on down to the ground and meet me on your mat. You guys, we're gonna start working those glutes a little bit. So coming onto our hands and our knees, hands right under your shoulders. We'll start with our our right leg extended back. Square that hip to the ground, tuck your hips under, shoulders away from your ears. We're gonna start nice and slow. The right foot's gonna go tap to the mat, lift it up, and then you're gonna bend your elbows to lower, press it back up. Do that again, slow, tap, and squeeze. So feel the squeeze in the glute, bend the elbows, and press. Little tap, little lift. You got it, down, and up. Feeling the control here, one more time. Sink it low, hold the arms straight, just tap the foot. Down, then lift. Tap, then lift. Lower, squeeze, lower, squeeze. Focusing on that right leg, reaching nice and long. You should feel in your hamstring and your glute of that lifted leg. Try shifting all of your energy into that side of your body. Last two. Last one, hold it here, a little pulses. Just lift. And lift. Option to take your left arm and reach it long as you lift that leg. You're gonna feel your core fire up a little deeper. We have 8. We have 6. We got it, y'all. Here's 4. 3, 2, hold and freeze. Just 4. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Put that knee down. Shift your hips back. Just take a little stretch. Roll out those wrists. We're gonna head into side 2. Hands under the shoulders. Left leg long this time. Square the hips, abs tight. Slow. Tap to the mat. Squeeze to lift. Bend the elbows to lower. Exhale, press to lift. Slow tap. Feel the connection in that left glute. And breathe. 2 more times. Squeeze to lift. Lower down. Big push. Last time right here. Down. And up. Woo! Sink. Hold this one at the top. Tap the toe. Just tap. Little lift. Tap. Little lift. Lower and squeeze. Length through our left leg. Pushing into our left palm on the ground. Keep it going. Lower, squeeze, lift. Really making sure your abs are pulling up and away from the floor, so you're keeping the work out of our supporting glutes. Little lower, little lift. We got 2. Yes, hold the leg straight at the top. Little pulses, up, up. Option to take your right hand, reach it long in front of you. Feel the engagement into your obliques. Shoulders away from your ears. Fight for it, y'all. We're here, just 4, just 3, 2, on 1, hold and freeze. Beautiful. Take the hand down, shift your hips back. Feel that little stretch, it should feel good. We are gonna tuck our toes and be in a high plank. Shoulders down, abs tight. Start by tapping right foot, left foot. Right foot, and left foot. Right foot, and left foot. Woo! Good. Adding on, you're gonna tap your right foot out, then left foot out, and you're gonna pike your hips up, sink them back down. Do that again. Right foot goes tap, left foot goes tap, hips lift. Up for 2, down for 2. Tap, tap, pike and lift, and lower. Right foot, left foot. Woo! You guys, give me 2 more. Finish strong, finish proud. Right, left. Squeeze to lift. Exhale to lower. Last time. We made it. And press those hips up and down. Good, drop your knees down to your mat. Roll out those wrists. Shake it all out, you guys. All right, that is all I got for you today. I hope you felt the burn from head to toe. If you like this video, let me know below in the comments, and we will see you back